as I get closer, she runs away. Right when I get closer, she runs away, and then as soon as I back up and leave, she comes back. She's just been surrounding this tree around my porch. See, it goes around. And she's just been hanging out on the limbs. But every time I back away is when she comes back again. Watch. See, I'm backing away and she's going to come back. She's going to come back to the branch over this way. She's really angry with the cat. See, there you go. She waits for me to leave. And there she goes. Watch. Watch. When I go back, she's going to go. See, there she goes. And she's really upset. She flew up, and when she sees that I'm gone again, she'll come back. See, I'm backing away. She knows that. See, now that I'm backed away, she's going to drop back down again. See, there she goes, back on that branch. So there she is again. And the cat's getting upset because he's moving his tail around. When they move their tails up and down, that's a sign of being irritated. Relax. She's hanging out over there. She just keeps going up higher and higher because I'm right here. But I'll back away again and see what happens. See, I backed away to the other side of my porch. And once she realizes I'm not there, she's going to come right back. Watch. See, she's back again because she's seen me back. She's paying attention to me backing away. She's right there. And she'll just hang out right there on that branch. That's what she's been doing for the last 5 minutes or longer, actually. She's been doing this for about 10 minutes. I just barely started recording 5 minutes of it. And the cat's just been sitting there, hasn't moved at all. See, I step towards it, towards where she's at, and she jumps up higher onto the branches to get away from me. And then if I leave and back away, she's gonna come back. This is what she's been doing for the last 10 minutes. She's watching me, even though she's far away, she knows. Because every time I walk away from here, she comes back. Oh, shoot. She's flying down with me right here. Oh, shoot. What the heck? This bird's crazy. She's really mad. She's really mad at the cats. She's back. This bird's getting brave. She's coming up under here with me, standing closer and closer. I think she's gone now. I think she's finally done. Never mind, she's back. She is one persistent bird. She is not gonna quit. It's already at 12 minutes. And she's still going. There she is right there. And there's another one over here on the tree too. He's just here, she's just sitting there. I don't know if you guys can see him. I'm kind of scared because she just comes down diving in here thinking that I'm away.